Hello, Anna. What do you want to learn today?
Colors in Spanish. I want to describe things like a pro.
Okay, let's start with red. It's rojo.
Rojo, like a pirate. Rojo.
Not quiet, but it's rojo.
Got it. Rojo. What's next?
Blue is azul.
Azul. Sounds like a sneeze. Achoo. Azul.
Close enough. Next, green is verde.
Verde.
That's good.
Cool. So, rojo, azul, and verde. What's about yellow?
That's amarillo.
Amarillo. Oh, it's amarillo, like a cowboy town.
No cowboys here. It's amarillo.
Okay, amarillo. What's black?
Black is negro.
Negro, easy. What's white?
White is blanco.
Oh, I've heard that in movies, Blanco. What's orange?
Orange is naranja.
Naranja. I'm loving this. What's purple?
Purple is morado.
Morado. Sounds royal like a king's cape.
Exactly. What's next?
Teach me pink, please.
Pink is rosa.
Oh, that's easy. Rosa. I remember that one.
Great. Let's review.
Of course. Rojo, azul, verde, amarillo, negro, blanco, naranja, morado, and rosa. Wow, I'm a genius. What about brown?
Brown is café.
Cafe. Sounds delicious. I'm ready to describe a rainbow now.
See, you are officially a rainbow expert.
Awesome. Gracias, Julian. Let's go to draw a rainbow.
Great idea. Let's do it.